This is 115 Cedar Street in Bangor. It's almost right downtown. The waterfront's right down there. Kind of a mixed area, single families, multi-families, walking distance, everything. A couple of parks, a library, all the restaurants downtown, etc. It does look like it has a garage. It's a very small bay. I think it was probably added when cars were a lot smaller, or they just added for storage. It will not fit a car as far as I'm aware. It really is just more storage. Good place to put the trash, etc. The owner did redo this porch a couple years ago. It's kind of a nice place to sit, watch traffic goes by, enjoy the summertime. The concerts are right downtown, so probably hear those, I would think. The property was actually bought for the owner to put an office in, and then they couldn't come to terms with the town in doing that, so they've rented it to last 4 or 5 years. It's got a lot of square footage. The rooms are all huge. That's a little unusual. Oftentimes you see either small kitchens, small living rooms, or small bedrooms, or some combination. Basically every room in this house is big. It's got the original hardwood floors, which have a lot of patina with them, but they are all hardwood, even upstairs. It's got this room off to the side as you come in. It does have like a built-in, I think it was probably intended to be a dining room. However, it has a double living and an eating kitchen, so it could also potentially maybe be a first floor bedroom or an office. You can see here, this has got a big, go back and focus, there we go, double living room. This has kind of like bay windows set up, and then over on this side you have another big room, and has a sort of nice built-in there. Fireplace is not usable. They've got a piece of foam there for the colder temperatures. But it is beautiful. It's original wood, probably 120 years old. The property does have all vinyl replacement windows, and the owner switched to natural gas a few years ago when it came available. So the furnace is a high efficiency gas furnace. This is a kitchen, which they actually just painted all the cabinets in, which do look pretty good. It does have a dishwasher. Appliances are pretty new too. It's got a flat top stove and a fridge, a little pot hook over there. Also has a pantry-like thing over here. So you have all the cabinets there, but you've also got a pantry, which is pretty good size. You do have a little mud room here. In fact, I think this is a pretty good room to put coats and all that kind of stuff in. Kind of basic. This is like an indoor-outdoor carpet, kind of meant to be indestructible. And then you've got that garage, which again is just too small for a car. It'd be great if somebody had a motorcycle, or maybe even an ATV or something they want to keep inside, but it does make for a nice area to have something where you can take everything off, whether it be snowmobile suits or that kind of stuff. As you can see, hopefully on this side of the kitchen, there's lots of room. You could put a good sized table here if you wanted to. They have not done a final clean through. They just came in and did the painting and such in the kitchen. So this is a half bath. There's a full bath upstairs as well, but it's got a washer dryer hook up there and even a little rod to hang stuff with. And then this does have the basement, which goes downstairs. Pretty basic. It does get a little bit of water in it, like heavy rain or melt off, but this is kind of high, so it would just get a little bit of dampness on the floor. It doesn't get like flooded or anything. It doesn't have a sump pump. Some basements in Bangor will have a lot of water in them, but that's not the case here. As you go upstairs, again, all the rooms are big enough to do a king-size bed. That's pretty unusual, and they've all got these wood floors. So this is the, I don't know, I guess I call this a front room. It does have, all the rooms have closets too. There's a closet over in the corner. This has got, again, bedroom number 2 here. Pretty good size. Plus it's got double closets. And then it's got bedroom number 3, which again is pretty good size. Closet over there. And then bedroom number 4, which has got the bay windows again. And bedroom number 4 has a closet over on that side. And then the full bath, which of course has toilet. the, I guess, double bowl sink, but gives you all that space for countertop. It's kind of nice. And then it's got a full tub shower combo. So that completes 115 Cedar Street in Bangor. If you'd be interested, do our application, rentbangor.com.